Part 3 of planning my garage door mural. I'm doing a color study today. I want to make sure that the color scheme I envision looks like I want it to. I start small with a thumbnail. It just has the basic shapes for the composition and flat colors. If the color scheme doesn't work here, I can easily do another thumbnail. I didn't like those paler greens. Okay, yeah, I like this. Time to do a larger color study. This time I am adding some color depth, like the range of oranges in these poppies. There will be a lot more detail and realism to these flowers and the other things in the painting when I get to the oil painting and mural versions. This green is fairly flat in my study, but it will have much more detail in the oil painting and mural. I expect to make this pink much richer in the completed paintings. I will be leaving most of these birds unpainted in the study. A bit of violet will blend in from the top. And now a band of cobalt teal to resemble a ribbon of water. My star will be this crow. Not too much detail, just some basic black. The scrub jay gets a bit more color variation. I want there to be a lot of intermingling of orange and pink, so I'm trying out orange for the tree. And here is the color study. Does it work?